Hey guys, it's Deepica, and it is time for my monthly favorites again. It is October. I don't even understand how that's possible. So let's just get to it. My monthly faves and a kind of unfave. I'll explain in a bit. So this video is being sponsored by Clinique to share their brand new Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer. There's 27 different shades of these babies. It's $29 for it, and it's a foundation, concealer, in one. And they don't say this, but it's also a contour. Like if you get a darker shade, it's a contour too. You guys know how much I love the Tarte Shape Tape to really make sure my dark circles are covered. The one thing about it though is that the Tarte Shape Tape is very drying, and what I love about this one from Clinique, it doesn't feel heavy, but it is definitely a full coverage foundation slash concealer, and it lasts 24 hours. So it really just stays on your face. Also, this foundation is good for all different skin types, oily, dry combination. It has like a really natural matte finish, and I found my perfect shade. So if you guys are curious what shade you are, you can go to Clinique counters and they will shade match you. And they'll give you a 10-day sample so you guys can get shade matched, try it out for yourself before you buy it, and decide whether the $29 is worth it for you. So I've used Golden 24 on my full face, and I use it underneath my eyes to act as like a concealer. But if you want it to be slightly more bright, the Cream Caramel is the other shade that I use under my eyes, but honestly that could be used all over the face too. I don't know, I'm kind of more and more getting over the whole like look of having your under eyes be much brighter than the rest of your face, and really just making it so everything is more naturally together. And I did not color correct my face today, and this is what it looks like with no color correcting and just using this foundation. The doe fit on this is really unique, and it has a sort of targeted applicator, which makes it really easy to get into the corners of your eyes as concealer. Say you don't want to do a full face coverage and you just want to do spots on your face and blend it out. This is great for that also. And I know Too Faced also has their version of this. I did like the Too Faced one, but then after trying this, this is now a new favorite of mine. I hope you guys like it. And just one more shout out to Clinique. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. I've been talking a lot about getting moisturizers that have SPF built into it. I just think it's smart and it's efficient. And if it doesn't leave like a gross gray overcast on your skin, it's always a good thing, right? Olay has been a product that I have talked about forever. I've used it since I was a kid. My mom always used it. I feel like most brown people grew up with this stuff. And they came out with this new Total Effects Whip collection. There's one without SPF and one with SPF. I personally like it with SPF. It just feels efficient in life. But now they have it so it's fragrance free, which is awesome. I hate the smell of SPF. It's just not like pleasant. So I've been using this. As you guys know and have probably noticed in my videos, I've been exploring a ton of skincare. It's been my main focus these days over makeup, TBH. And so you're gonna see me talk about more and more skincare products as I learn about them. But I'm always trying to talk about things from all different price ranges. And of course, Olay is so affordable for you guys. Okay, next up, I'm gonna talk to you guys about a lip mask, and it is from TATCHA. It's called the KISSU lip mask. Comes with this beautiful little spatula situation so you can like grab it. I actually put this on every night before I go to bed as part of my skincare routine. I've been looking for a good lip mask, especially with all these damn liquid lipsticks these days. I feel like my lips just are like craving a really good lip mask. They're so grossly chapped, and it just keeps happening, and we're getting into freaking winter. It's just gonna get worse. It's definitely a little thick. They say it has Japanese peach seed in it, and I just love TATCHA as a brand. I think it's an incredible brand. Yeah, it just really works. I wake up with my lips feeling really moisturized. I don't actually know if they say this, but other times I put it on while I'm doing my makeup and take it off so my lips feel just a little more moisturized, and then put on my lipstick. I definitely think you guys should check that out. Okay, next up I'm gonna tell you guys about this new cheek palette from NARS. It's the Hot TRYST. Like, how cool is this packaging? Like, this is just like fun, right? And the colors inside of here are really beautiful. They're like shimmery blushes. You can tell that this is the one that I use the most. Usually I do like a swirly situation, especially like those bottom three, and put it on my skin. It's so hard to find blushes for our skin tone. I've recommended in the past a different NARS blush. Like, I think it was like this time last year. So maybe like during holidays, they always come out with the new one. But this one also has beautiful illuminators in it. Like, how beautiful is that? And you know, some of the colors in there remind me of the NARS Illuminating Orgasm that I use. Like, that's like my go-to daily for like a blush illuminating on the skin. And you get it all in one palette. I really liked it. Next, I want to talk about my friend Angel MacDaddy's Artist Couture highlighters. This product is as extra as Angel is. Super, super pigmented, super, super shimmery. It is definitely a night out on the town kind of a highlight. He has 4 different ones, guys. There's a Hot Damn. He's so extra. Of course it's called Hot Damn. Honey Drip, Sex Pose, okay, all right. And Glow Money. It's not as intense as Fenty's like Trophy Wife, but it is definitely on the golder side. But this one has like, I don't know, a little bit of a bronzy, I mean, honey is like the appropriate word. And I really, right now, love that color on my skin tone. I use it in the corner of my eye, underneath my brow bone, the same place I always put highlighter. So my personal favorite is Honey Drip, and I'm so proud of him because there's so much that goes into making these things, and this has been his dream to create like a not loose highlighter for so long, and he's doing it, and it's available in Sephora. So like major props to him because that's really dope. I say dope a lot. Wow. I feel like you guys are always asking me for lip recommendations. This is from Maybelline. It is the Superstay Matte Ink. This is shade 70 Amazonian. Obviously, this is not like a new product from them. The thing with liquid lipsticks, as we've talked about before, is that they really dry out your lips, and I think everyone's kind of over that. This Maybelline product, it's comfortable on the lips. It's like feels like you're getting really good pigment. It does like kind of stick on your lips, but not as drying as a liquid lip. So I really like this concept. They have a bunch of different colors. Of course, it's super affordable. So I have this on and I layered it with this NARS Xenon lip gloss. I don't know, I'm just not feeling the like matte lip look these days. I know that's weird because I don't know, it's like fall, but whatever. Just stay hydrated, kids. Stay hydrated. Last, I'm gonna talk to you about the translucent veil setting powder from Hourglass. This is, I would say, a favorite and an unfavorite because it's depending on you and what you like. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on half of my face versus the other half of my face and how it did kind of set it and give it a less of a shiny finish. I'm such a fan of the brand. I always have been, but if you are looking for a baking product underneath your eyes, this is not the product for you. I'm not even like a big baker, but my initial reaction was to take this product and dab it underneath my eye and like truly bake. And it was major gray overcast, like major. So if you're looking for an all over translucent setting, which is exactly what they say it's for, this is a product for you. And I think you will love it if you are a fan of Hourglass. They definitely deliver to like what they say this product is. Next up, I'm gonna tell you guys about a product that I'm super excited about. It's from Neutrogena and it is their Hydro Boost Body Gel Cream. Neutrogena Hydro Boost collection, I think it's like a favorite for like everyone. It's one of those like lines that is just really affordable, does exactly what it says it does. I've used the Hydro Boost masks all the time. They also have a moisturizer I've used all the time. It has packed with hyaluronic acid, and that's what it is, and everybody loves hyaluronic acid. Your skin craves it. It just helps your skin feel moist and supple and just really, really youthful. And so everything with hyaluronic acid is incredible. So for them to put it into a moisturizer on my ashy body, I put it all over. I like drench myself in this stuff, and I'm so glad that they came out with it. In general, TBH, like I do not take care of my skin on my body as much as I do on my face. And I don't know, for some reason I got so excited about them coming out with this product that I started to like put it on, and it just feels really moisturizing on my entire body. Like literally head to toe, I get out of the shower and I put this stuff on. It's great. So that is my monthly favorites. Oh wait, I'm supposed to do highs and lows of the month, I forgot. So my highs of the month would be that I finally got proper lighting for my studio, if you guys have noticed. Yes! I got a fancy Canon camera, and I will leave the information down below of exactly what camera I have with the lens if you guys are curious. Plus like what just like the lighting thing I have, because it's really been, I hope, game changing. Let me know down below if you've noticed it. So that to me is a high, because I think it's one of those things that by no means, if you're just starting out, do I think you need to be doing this, but after 3 years in, if you're not gonna invest in yourself, what are you gonna invest in, you know? So I feel really good about that. Lows of the month, still haven't gotten on my fitness game. I feel like if you watch my favorites from January to now, I've been saying it every single month. I'm gonna say it, I'm just gonna keep saying it, but lots going on in the world. I'm really excited about things we're doing with Tinted, as I mentioned to you before. We have a really new cool tool on our site called Find Your Hue, where if you guys are signing up and you give your profiles, you can share your favorite products that you have and learn from other people in the tint fam. Buying products, especially complexion products, is so hard online. We thought this would be a really cool tool for you guys to be able to come and hopefully meet each other, get to know each other, see people with the same skin tone as you, and see like, okay, well, they like this foundation, maybe I will like it too. The reality is you guys can watch my video and see what I use, but not everyone is my skin color, and I know people that support me are not all my skin color, whether you are Indian or not Indian or whatever color you are. And so that's just one new thing that we're working on with Tinted, which I would say is also a high of the month. Yeah. So going forward, I'm gonna link down below the link for you guys to sign up to join the tint fam, and hopefully you can help others find products and they can help you, and it'll just be a good conversation across the board. That damn lawnmower. But yeah, that's my high and low, same low per usual. We all have our thing, all right? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please sign up for Tinted, and I will see you next time. Bye.